Join us for a cruise aboard the Disney Wish. Our kids have been on several cruises, but they were the most hyped they've been for a cruise for this one. They spent so much time researching and watching videos, they just couldn't wait to go cruise with Mickey.
Is anybody excited for the Wish?
Yes. I just don't like it.
Daddy, are you excited for the Wish?
It's a nice carnival ship next to it.
I'm excited for the Wish!
We'll have other videos with more information about our cruises. In this video, we're going to give you a tour of the ship.
We're getting on the Disney cruise.
But just for fun, I did include some of the little bits of Disney magic that happened on the cruise. The buffet has a new name on this cruise ship. It's called Marceline Market. One of my favorite parts about the Marceline Market is this extensive hand washing station right at the beginning. Marceline Market's pretty similar to most other cruise ship buffets that are made these days, with different stations throughout. One cool part about this one is that because the ship was made during COVID, this buffet is made to be served by the workers. Although there are desserts on the buffet, there's a special shop where you can pay extra for different Disney-themed sweets here at Joyful Sweets. In addition to the buffet, there are multiple quick service areas where you can get food on the pool deck. I thought the cantina was the best, but Ben thought the barbecue was the best. If you're familiar with Disney, they use rotational dining. On this ship, they have 3 restaurants: Arendelle, 1923, and Marvel. Arendelle restaurant, there's a live Frozen-themed show that's kind of performed in the round during the dinner. It's pretty fun. The Wish has a cool area where you can walk all the way forward on the ship. If you want, you can even do a little bit of a show like the movie Titanic. Here is one of our favorite spots on the ship, the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. Stay tuned for another video where you get to see our daughter experience the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. As I mentioned, there are multiple restaurants in the rotational dining. Here is the Marvel restaurant. It was the one we looked forward to the least, but we probably had the best meal and the best time at this one.